This is the Sauce and Gravy channel, and today we are going to do a delicious taco sauce from the Dippin' Dynamo. First, we are starting with this creamy taco sauce with 2 spoons of sour cream. Okay, my friends, 1 spoon of sour cream, then a next spoon of sour cream, and then for this dipping sauce, 1 spoon of mayonnaise. Woohoo! This 1 spoon of mayonnaise is gonna make it delicious. Okay, 1 spoon of mayonnaise, here it comes. Okay, now we're done with the mayonnaise. And then we're gonna add some honey, of course. Here is the honey. It's spraying in the bowl. Perfect. That's done. And then we're gonna add a little bit of Zana Hot Sauce from Fuego Spices. Here it comes. Zana Hot Sauce comes on in. There you go. Just a few more drops. Yeah, there you go. Now that's enough Zana. Okay, my friends. Then you're gonna add, you know what? Chipotle chili powder. That's right. Just a teeny little bitty bit of chili powder. Perfect. There it comes. Okay, it's in. Okay, then you're gonna put that guy away. There you go. There he goes. He's away. Now, a little bit of cumin. I bet that'll get a little bit of a good taste in that sauce. Okay, here it comes. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Perfect. Now that's enough. Then no more ingredients. Then you stir. Here it comes. Stir, 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 stir. And then stir a little bit more. And this is how it looks like when you're done stirring. Thanks for watching this delicious sauce. Please subscribe to this channel and I'll see you next time.